What a market, everybody. It seems that we have to keep holding the line. It's been a long time, but this might just be getting started. Welcome back, everybody. How's the Crocon army doing so far? Man, I gotta stretch it out a little bit even, right? So we're seeing what's going on right now, right? I think it's evident how September, just the first days and the end of August, being hammering. And I wish to have good news for all of us, right? I mean, good news is always helping the volume and everybody's self-esteem. But when it comes to this month, and the news, well, there's nothing out right now for crypto.com. And well, September, welcome. Guess what? September, historically, and I'm going to show you right now in just a second with the numbers, it's the month with the most pain in the market. So far, it's been red for many years. So on the positive side, I'm sure that crypto.com is cooking up some very good news, some very good updates, upgrades, and progress for all of us, which in a way helps a lot with the views, helps a lot with just everybody get together and see, man, we're gearing up for the World Cup. But here's the main question. Why are we here? Why is the price now lower than the last time that we spoke about this, right? Well, clear answer. The market, bear market, we're not out of it. And remember, we're still waiting to hear from the SEC, the government, and what's happening out there. I mean, just the wars and rumors of wars and more nasty things happening out there. And remember, because crypto.com is one of those major altcoins that does move according to Bitcoin most of the time. And Bitcoin does move according to NASDAQ. And NASDAQ went to 13,000 points, if I'm not mistaken, and now it's lowered to 11,000 points right now. So every single movement that we're trying to penetrate and go upwards, it's bringing us lower and down and down. And sad but true, guys. It's kind of like the definition of we're not out of it yet. Can worse things happen can worse things come for us? We'll just have to see. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Why? The big question, right? Because I think a lot of people who may be traders or beginners in the crypto space are asking that question. A lot of us who are mature, and I mean, we've been here for at least more than a year. We already know how this works. If either you were born in a bull market like myself, seeing all the prices rise, or bear market right now, whichever you are, it's awesome that you're here in crypto. That's the purpose of this channel, to educate. But I think this is the perfect time for anyone to come and buy the dip. Period. We're seeing crypto.com at what, 11 cents. That is just incredible, right? Last time that we spoke, it was at 12 cents. Now it's 11, and it does seem to be slowly but surely consolidating and going in the ranges of 10 to 13 cents. Bitcoin, of course, 19,000 or so, under 20, and it's been like that for almost September. I mean, it's been just 4 days, but the end of August, right? So there's all of those things, that the components that clearly tell us something. Under 1 trillion in global market cap, everybody. And when it comes to crypto.com, one of the things that I like that they've been doing, and they do this when there's nothing to say from them, they add stuff from crypto.com university, which it's like for beginners, right? I mean, you kind of learn a couple of good things and a couple of tips, which does help the entire customer base. I liked it. And of course, some Ethereum 2.0 merge updates. That's really good. But the point of the story is, for this month, guys, for crypto.com, this is what it looks like. In my opinion, we can see a price analysis that's going to be much less than we have right now. This is 2022. So far it's starting, so we don't have any number there yet. But if you take a look at from 2021 all the way to 2010, September, we have only 3 positive months, or actually positive years, right? Positive years. And in the positive months for that specific year. And when you take a look at the other different years and months, there's more green. So we are in the month that if you think crypto.com is at 11, we cannot go to 9. Well, that could be a big mistake, right? And I've said it on record that I hope that the 9 cents for crypto.com and the 17,000 for Bitcoin is the bottom for this year. But thus far, we're not pumping, we're not elevating the price. There's the news, they're out there, but it's just not doing anything for the volume. that could crack a lower tier and send us all the way to 8 to 9 to 10 cents. It's just gonna all depend on what's gonna come this upcoming week. That's it. So this is pretty important to notice, everybody. I mean, I like it, this is the month and we are beginning the month. So imagine right now, 4th of September, extreme fear at 20. Do you know what that means? That means, when I go back to the price, that means much more awesome and delicious deals. Come on, everybody. Cheers for all the deals that we are probably going to be seeing if indeed Bitcoin goes much lower to $18,000 or high $17,000. We're going to be easily looking at crypto.com at, that bar of 10 cents or even high 9 cents. So that is my prediction, not with a specific number, but just to look at it. Historically speaking, why are we down? Well, the reason is because everything that's coming up right now, this Labor Day weekend, 4 days from Friday to Monday, it's incredible for us, a great time for us to recharge. But sadly but true, it's going to affect once we open on Tuesday. If we don't have those positive news that we're expecting about the market, the jobs report came out much lower than expected, and then we're having more CPI numbers data later on this month. If that CPI, I hope, is much lower than 8.5%. That is going to be very good for the entire market, and that's going to help Bitcoin. And hopefully, we're going to have a little pump from 11.9, I'll say, to 13 cents. They're going to be extremely conservative here because 1 cent for crypto.com is a lot, right? 1 single cent. That's going to be a lot. But I mean, later on, I'm sure that we're going to be seeing that $1 beautiful mark that for crypto.com. I say yes, but that's going to come later on in the years to come. With that being said, I think that is my best explanation as of now, because I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. This is it. Just 16 cents, August. So it's been more than a month with nothing. And this is a crypto that can easily pump really hard from 12, 11 to 16 in how many days? That is about a week and a half. So we can pump really hard. I'm not concerned about that, right? So with good news, with good volume, we could pump probably to 20 cents in a week and a half or 2 weeks. That'll be a pretty good record. Remember, this is not a meme coin, so definitely it's not gonna have a huge explosion. But until we are in a bear market, that's when we're gonna start seeing all of that. So from one side, everybody, we're not having many news from crypto.com, but it's okay. I'm sure that they're cooking up something really well. Maybe more countries adopting the products and services from crypto.com as a company, or more things. Remember that Ethereum merge is coming up this month, so that's going to be pretty exciting for the markets. Although the prices are extremely down, I expect crypto.com, because it's an ERC20 token as well, to do something cool. But on the opposite side, we have September, and well, everything right now seems bearish. It's just a battle between two worlds. Why is it down? Hopefully this answers that question. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Have an amazing rest of the week, and let's keep enjoying CRONOS. Still the diamond hands. You see DeFi, you see DeFi Llama, Tectonic. Everything's down. 2022 is cooked when it comes to TBL in DeFi. Remember that. Peace.